Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan eclairs. First, we'll craft a light and airy chew pastry, the foundation of any great eclair. We'll use plant-based milk and butter to ensure it's completely dairy-free. The key is to cook the dough until it pulls away from the pan, then pipe it into elegant shapes. Baking them until they are golden and hollow will give us the perfect crisp shell, ready for a delightful filling. Next, let's create the luscious vegan pastry cream that will fill our eclair shells. We'll combine plant-based milk, cornstarch, sugar, and a touch of vanilla to achieve a rich, smooth consistency. Cook this mixture gently over medium heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens beautifully. Remember, chilling the cream thoroughly for at least 2 hours is crucial for it to set properly and be easy to pipe into your cooled chew pastry. Now for the irresistible finishing touch, a decadent chocolate glaze. We'll melt down some high-quality vegan chocolate with a small amount of plant-based milk or cream until it's perfectly smooth and glossy. Once your eclair shells are filled and the glaze is slightly cooled but still pourable, carefully dip the top of each eclair. This creates that classic, shiny chocolate layer that makes eclairs so appealing. Finally, it's time to bring all the elements together. Using a piping bag, gently fill each cooled chew pastry shell with the chilled vegan pastry cream. Once filled, arrange your beautifully glazed eclairs on a platter. These delightful treats are perfect for any occasion, offering a rich, creamy, and satisfying dessert experience. For the best taste and texture, enjoy them fresh within 1 or 2 days of preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.